folks. Just wanted to take a moment of your time to talk about case sensitivity with PHP. Let's go ahead and get started. So in PHP, all of your keywords like if, else, while, echo, etc., classes, functions, and user-defined functions are not case sensitive. I repeat, they are not case sensitive. So what does this mean? It means that in general, most of the things outside of the name of variables are they're not case sensitive. If you want to type in if, you can type in lowercase if or uppercase if. It really technically doesn't matter. Now, when we go into the standards of what your code should look like, they should be in lowercase. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some examples in this video of what things may or may not look like and the things that you can get away with. But in general, when all possible, default to lowercase, okay, with PHP. So for example, if I have a, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab my doc type and create an HTML file real quick. Save some time. Basically create a small template. Okay. Now I'm going to do an open PHP tag. Close tag. I'm going to save my file as case sensitivity .php. Make sure that's spelled correctly. It is. All right. So, for example, if I type in echo, it can be uppercase. Give myself a little line break there. It can be lowercase and a combination of both. Okay. Each of these are going to do the exact same thing because your PHP processor doesn't care. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and save this file. I'm going to open up my web browser, refresh my folder that I'm in, and I'm going to click on case sensitivity, and you'll see that it prints out hello world regardless. Okay, it doesn't care. Now, the one that you should use is the middle one here for lowercase. Now, all variable names are case sensitive. Okay, I repeat, variable names are case sensitive. Let me show you. First, I'm going to put in a comment that says variable names are case sensitive. So, this first variable is called color. Okay? And we're going to say red. Okay? You'll notice that this variable color is all lowercase. So if I type in something like this and I say echo, my car is color, then it should come out as my car is red. Okay. If I have my variable set to all uppercase color, that's actually a different variable that it's looking for. Okay. One that doesn't exist in here. The name is color, but you'll see that it's all uppercase. PHP is not going to be able to find it. Okay, it just says my car is blah because that's a variable that doesn't exist. Can't find it. And later on, we can throw in some error checking and stuff that can determine if that if that variable exists and if it doesn't say something. But for right now, it doesn't do that. Okay. Now the other thing we can check for is color that is a mixture of uppercase and lowercase. That's bad. Let's do this. Okay, lowercase c. It's easier to see. Okay, so lowercase c, other. Okay, that's a different variable. The only one that's useful to us in this script is that very first one with all lowercase. So variable names are case sensitive. Okay. Just throwing in a note here. Okay. So built-in stuff, not case sensitive. Variables, case sensitive. It's incredibly important to remember that. And you know what? Just for general practice, keep them all lowercase. Unless you have constants, those are uppercase. But we'll get into that later. All right. So that is PHP Sensitivity 101.